prayer to seek blessings and guidance for a successful event. Father in heaven, holy be your name. Kingdom come. Will be done on earth.
All things bright and new, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wise, the Lord God made them all. We welcome our honorable Christendom to inaugurate our eclipse. From JDE to Delaware, welcome please. Welcome our esteemed principal, respected staff, and my dear friends of our eclipse.
Now our students will beautifully demonstrate through dance how to keep the environment clean. Primary students are coming to sing a song about protecting our environment.
Let us sing a song about protecting our planet. Planet Earth is our home. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Earth is home for you and me. Clean Earth is a happy earth. We can keep it clean always. Green Earth is a shining earth. We can decorate with the trees. So let us keep our environment clean.
If we live close to tree, we will become much healthier and our life will become happier. Our enthusiastic students will demonstrate through their performance how to protect the forest. I would like to invite our dance students to come on stage and show your talents. Now I like to call the Jonah Pullen of class 6B to come on stage and deliver the speech on safe environment. It is not hidden fact that our natural environment is such an important part of our ecosystem. However, we can still do something and protect our earth from all the damages. We must plant more and more trees. Avoid using plastic bags.
உயிர்வாழ காற்று ஒப்பில்லா குடிநீர் தரும் இயற்கை அன்னையே உன்னை வணங்கி என் உரையை துவங்குகிறேன். என் உரையின் தலைப்பு இயற்கை அன்னையே காத்திடு. இயற்கையை காப்பது ஒரு உயிரை காப்பதுக்கு சமமாகும். ஆனால் மனிதர்களின் செயல்களினால் நமது சுற்றுச்சூழல் மிகவும் பாதிப்படைகிறது. நமது பேராசையால் நமது இயற்கையை அதிகமாக சுரண்டுகிறோம். இதனால் இயற்கையில் பலவிதமான பாதிப்புகள் ஏற்பட்டுள்ளது. இருப்பினும் நமது சுற்றுச்சூழலை பாதுகாக்க நம்மால் இயலும்.
I guess this water.
Shall you be the truth and nothing but the truth?
My Lord, the water is standing in this criminal case is vital for human sustenance. Water, which was available, is now being bottled and sold for money. Many diseases are spread due to contaminated water. I guess this land.
I shall give you the truth and nothing but the truth. I am the barrier of the humans, plants, animals and earth. Human says that I am the mother earth, but it is very sad I am caged as a criminal.
My Lord, once upon a time I used to walk around the earth clean, but my pure air has decreased and black acid furnace have increased. Smoke rises 400 kilometers from factories. Burning tires emit smoke. All these things mix with me, then I am polluted.
There are many causes of pollution. This pollution is caused due to the increase in human needs. So humans should be aware of this and the government should take appropriate action.
I am here in front of you to explain what is wrong
vermicompost. Vermicompost is a method of preparing entrance compost with the use of